In just a couple of weeks, the Build Africa conference for 2024 is taking place in Cape Town. Build Africa is a conference for estate agents, put on by estate agents, with the top estate agents in the world as the speakers. Even if you've got to travel into Cape Town, get yourself a hotel room. You can get all those details on the website and also purchase your tickets there. You're going to learn. We've got some of the top estate agents in the world, including Jennifer Jones, who's probably the top agent out of 89,000 agents in eXp and one of the top agents in the world. We've got Randy Dick, who's one of the top agents out of Canada. Brent Gove, who's built a revenue share team at eXp of over 30,000 agents. And together with that, we've got a bunch of South Africa's top agents speaking as well. You're going to be inspired. You're going to come out of this 2 days with a fresh vision for the year and the kind of energy that will help you take your business to the next level. And then you're going to meet some great people. One of the best things about these conferences is the people you meet and the relationships you form. So jump onto the website, get your tickets today.